Have you ever wondered why the richest people in the world don't seem to pay as much in taxes as you do? You're not imagining it. They legally pay far less. It's not a secret, and it's not illegal. These are strategies and tax loopholes that have been around for decades, and guess what? They're available to you, too. Let's be honest. Nobody likes paying taxes. It's like watching your hard-earned money slip through your fingers, and no one ever told you there's a way to hold on to more of it. So, why are the rich so good at paying less? How do they legally dodge taxes without breaking any laws? What if I told you that the rich aren't hiding money in offshore accounts or cheating the system? No, they're using smart legal strategies that you can start using today. Imagine this. More of your money stays in your pocket instead of going to the government. Does that sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, we're going to uncover these strategies and show you how to use them to legally reduce your tax burden. Stick around, because this information could change the way you think about taxes forever. Hold on, before you scroll down to the comments section saying, "That's just for billionaires." Let me assure you, this is for you. No matter where you are in your financial journey, you can take advantage of these tax loopholes. Keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save more money, legally. Let's start with the simplest, yet one of the most powerful strategies, the tax deductions that are available to anyone who works for themselves or has a business. You see, deductions aren't just for the ultra-wealthy business owners. They're available to anyone with a side hustle, a freelance gig, or even a home office. Here's how it works. You know how you pay for things like your car, your internet bill, your office supplies, or even travel? If you're running a business, or even if you have a side hustle, you can deduct these expenses from your taxable income. The government lets you reduce your tax bill because you're essentially reinvesting that money into your business. Think about it. Every time you buy a new laptop for work, a printer, or even a subscription to a service that helps you grow your side business, you're potentially lowering the amount of money you pay in taxes. You're turning expenses into a way to save money. But here's the kicker. The rich know this. They've been using these tax-saving strategies for years, writing off business-related expenses and reducing their taxable income. And you can do the same thing. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a millionaire, I don't have a business, I'm just trying to get by. Here's the thing. You don't need to be a business mogul to benefit from deductions. Even a small home-based business or a side hustle can unlock these tax-saving benefits. The best part? You can start today. That laptop you've been eyeing. If you use it for work, you could be deducting part of the cost. The business trip to meet a client? Deductible. And if you work from home, you could even deduct a portion of your rent or mortgage. But don't take my word for it. Talk to a tax professional, and they'll show you how you can apply these strategies to your situation. But that's just the beginning. There's a loophole that's going to blow your mind. It's one of the most powerful ways the rich legally avoid paying taxes, and it's something that anyone can take advantage of. Stay tuned because I'm about to show you how to take advantage of it. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest tax-saving strategies for the rich, capital gains tax. This is a tax you pay when you sell an asset for more than you paid for it, whether that's real estate, stocks, or even a business. The beauty of capital gains tax is that it's taxed at a lower rate than your regular income. If you sell an asset you've held for more than a year, the government taxes it at the long-term capital gains rate, which is typically lower than the tax rate on your regular salary. This is where the rich really take advantage. Let's break it down. Imagine you invest $10,000 in a property or a stock, and over the next few years its value grows to $20,000. When you sell that asset, you'll only pay taxes on the profit, $10,000. But here's the key. Because you held the asset for more than a year, that $10,000 profit is taxed at the capital gains rate, not your regular income rate. This means that while the average person is paying high income tax rates, the wealthy are paying a much lower rate on their investments. The difference could be huge, especially if you're making significant profits on your investments. Now you might be thinking, that's great for the rich, but I don't have a ton of investments. Here's the good news. Anyone can start investing today. You don't need to be a millionaire to benefit from lower capital gains taxes. In fact, the earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from these lower tax rates as your assets grow. But here's the real kicker. What if you could defer those taxes indefinitely? That's right. There's a way to put off paying capital gains taxes, and it's something the rich use all the time. Stick around because I'm about to show you how. Now, let's talk about tax-advantaged accounts. This is a strategy that anyone can use, no matter where you are in your financial journey. 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs are all tools that can help you shelter your money from taxes and let it grow without the government taking a cut every year. Here's how it works. When you contribute to a 401k or an IRA, you don't pay taxes on that money until you withdraw it, usually when you retire. This means that your investments grow without being taxed each year, which is a huge benefit. The wealthy use these accounts to build wealth without the burden of annual taxes eating into their profits. It's a long-term strategy, but it's incredibly effective. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to take advantage of these accounts. Anyone can open an IRA, and anyone with a job can contribute to a 401k. And let's not forget about HSAs, health savings accounts. These accounts allow you to save for medical expenses, but the money you put in them grows tax-free. The rich know that tax-free growth is a game changer, and now you can take advantage of it too. So, what's the takeaway? The rich have access to these tax loopholes because they understand how the system works. They use deductions, take advantage of capital gains tax, and shelter their money in tax-advantaged accounts to legally reduce their tax burden. The great news? You don't have to be a billionaire to use these strategies. Whether you have a side hustle, you're investing in real estate, or you're just starting your retirement savings, you can use these loopholes to keep more of your money and build wealth for the future. But here's the catch. The sooner you start, the more you'll benefit. Don't wait until you're older or richer to take advantage of these strategies. Start now and let time work in your favor. If you want to learn more about how to build wealth and grow your money, check out my next video on the power of compounding. This is the key to long-term financial success, and trust me, you'll want to learn how it works. Click here to watch it now and keep building your financial future. If you are here, so don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to know about my new videos. See you in next video.